What is up, Candy fam, and welcome to another one of my vlogs. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm gonna get ready because I quickly want to film I want to do a foundation review today, but gotta pack all these things up because I'm doing a wedding as well this morning. Luckily it's only 5 minutes away, so I'm quickly gonna get ready, film my foundation, first impressions, the application, and then yeah, gotta get up, gotta go to work. I'm just boiling some water because we had no power at work, so I can't cook my food today. That's why I'm taking some broccoli that I got yesterday. I'm having a bit of oats today, even though I'm not allowed to have oats today because it's a low carb day, but you gotta do what you gotta do when you have no power. And then I just have like a bit of tuna in here, which I'll eat for today, so I at least have something you know, in my stomach rather than not eating anything. So basically I just take this little bit of oats, put some hot water in here, close it, leave it for 10 minutes, and then just eat it just like that. I've actually been looking forward to having oats cooked with water, but I'll share more on my diet with you guys at a later stage because a lot of people have been asking me questions, and I will definitely share more on that. But also Ads is taking on clients if you guys want diets and exercising programs. She's obviously my coach, so check her out in the link down below. It's done. This is the amazing thing with this hairstyle. So I'm so proud of myself that I can like film a video today because I barely had time to film, and I'm just so excited to create more content for you guys. So I actually really wanted to film these today, but none of them are in my color. They sent me like a lot of tanned colors, and girl, currently I'm not self-tanned, so I guess I need to tan before I do this. But I do have another foundation that I want to try, and see, these are all the products that I still want to try on my channel, and it's these ones from LA Girl, the Pro Matte foundations. This is also drugstore, so I think let's do this one. There we go. So we are on our way to the wedding, and this is Kayla. She's my intern. I would actually rather like to call you my assistant. Like, that's a nicer word, hey? She's studying fashion design, so she's interning with me and helping me with like weddings and stuff. And I don't know if she's learning a lot, but this is what I travel with. So thankful for her. And we're at the venue called Shimani. It is in Alberton, so we're gonna go and see the bride now. She prefers her KFC pops. En neem van bo af. Kayla werk ook. Sy sit nie net die hele dag op die bank op social media nie. just finished! Yay! Ooh. How was your day?
It was really good.
Was it like your first wedding?
Yes.
Yeah, and she's like a trooper. I just want to put her in my pocket and carry her with me all day. No shame. The bride, they were so sweet and so calm. It's always nice when I do a bride like that, because then it's just so much easier for me to do my job. And as you can see, it really came out nicely. So staan altyd nie. Dis awkward as ek soos
Ek weet nie hoe sy so kalm
as ek vlog en dan
as my camera op my is, dan vergeet ek al my woorde.
Ek dink ek is al gewoon aan, maar dis weer baie keer sal ek soos as iemand verbystap dan sê ek soos so dan sê ek net soos awkward.
Jy moet daai video's post.
I'm kind of just waiting for time to pass because my husband just went to the driving range to shoot golf balls and I don't have a house key. Cheers! Ons gaan nou skoop. Oh! So ons gaan 'n kos kry. Want ek het 'n sak met kos koop. Ek dink die mense sê hulle wil ons kos eet nie. Want dit is al so sleg vir. So gelukkig het ons pizza perfect en muchachos, maar no comment. Come on, more lashes. Look at the full. Wirklich. Aisha, ach, ik weet niet, ik kan wel mijn stoel staan. Ek weet nie wat hierdie ou doen nie. Wil julle muchachos hê of pizza perfect? Kom eens ching chong cha. Wat is jy? Is jy muchachos?
Ja.
Okay. Ching chong cha. Ching chong cha. Okay. Ching chong cha. Ek vind pizza perfect. Cool. Kijk hoe lang die mare zijn. Look at this. Sneak peek. Mamma mia. Yo. Hawaiian. Pineapple Tasco pizza. Yes.
Het jy my pampwater gekry?
Nee. Is dit lekker? So I just quickly wanted to come sit down and chat to you guys a little bit about my diet, and it's been tough. I've been crying a little bit because it's so hard when people around you are eating such nice food, pizzas. Lately I've developed this like bad craving for pizza since I started this diet, and I never thought a diet could like drain a person so emotionally. Energy wise I'm feeling great, you know, body wise I'm feeling great. It's so rewarding, but it's so tasting when people around you are eating all these great foods and you have to stick to your broccoli and fish or chicken or whatever it might be. Obviously I know that I chose this diet for myself. It's a very strict diet and I have to still do it for 2 weeks. Because I do want to take some after photos of my progress with my before and then my after, and then I'll go back into my more healthy lifestyle sort of food that I started with when I started with Farmer Freak. But the reason why I wanted to sit down and chat to you guys is just to tell you that I'm definitely not perfect. I know all these people always post these perfect bodies on Instagram, perfect food and meals they constantly eat, and I don't want to be that person. I want to let you guys know when things are tough for me, you know. I remember last week I actually ate pizza and I felt so guilty. And the thing is that I'm trying to like train my mind to be strong enough to say no, not only to bad food but also to people who's toxic in my life, to things that are toxic in my life, just to things that feel good in the moment but is actually really bad for you, if that makes sense. So I definitely think that this is a learning curve. It's not just about a diet, it's not just about having a great body. Yes, having a great body comes with it and it's amazing, but it's about building a stronger me, you know. So I don't know, I just wanted to share that with you guys and let you know that tonight was really tough. You know, I did cry a little bit but I do think it's normal for us to go through things like this, and I'm pretty proud of myself for sticking through. And I made my little egg omelette. I'm not supposed to eat egg tonight, but I know it's way healthier than, you know, a pizza, so I decided to just like build a little egg pizza in the pan and pretended like it was pizza. But yeah, 2 weeks. Anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog now. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you want to see more vlogs. Until next time, stay sweet. I'll talk to you soon.